Friends, completing step number 7, submit your KYC application. In the process to migrate to mainnet in Pi Network is a significant milestone. Like you, thousands of others are still stuck at this step. Despite multiple attempts, you may have been unable to complete this step, leading to frustration, even after watching countless YouTube videos on the subject. But you finally arrived at the right video. If you watch the entire video without skipping a single second, you will definitely be successful not only in submitting your KYC application, but even step number 8 too, that is, wait for KYC results.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
So let's start the video without wasting further time. You would be aware of a Pi policy that you must complete at least 30 mining sessions before applying for KYC. For this specific account, we have just completed 30 mining sessions and hence stepping forward for submitting KYC application. Before starting the process of submitting your KYC application, keep your original national ID card with you. Keep necessary information about you, like date of birth, national identity number, address, the email address that you had entered while creating Pi account, etc. with you. All this information should completely be matched with your national identity card. If found matched exactly, Pi will not keep you waiting for step 8, i.e., wait for KYC results. Rather, it will be instantly completed. Let's start the process. Click Submit your KYC application. Enter your exact date of birth and country. Select your ID type, mostly national ID card. Place checks on both consents. Click Let's Go. Keep clicking Next after reading important information. Be prepared for photographic validation of your national ID card. Keep in mind, you would be required to take pictures of ID card from both sides, 1:1. You should take picture of your identity card in landscape mode instead of portrait. Data of your ID card should clearly be visible. While taking picture of ID card, try to place card exactly within the cornered brackets, not to be out to avoid data exclusion, not to be too much zoomed out, which may leave unnecessary background. Click I'm ready when prepared. Take picture of front side of your national ID card. Take picture of backside of your national ID card. Click Next Step when done. Fill your data including name, gender, date of birth, email address, put one that you had provided while creating Pi account, identity document ID number, expiry date of ID, country, complete address, and zip code, etc. Click Next Step when done. Time for liveness. Check. Keep in mind, while liveness check process, you should look like an ID card photo, without glasses or hat, etc. You should be in well-lit area, with stable mobile camera position, whole face visible. You will be required to follow instructions like smile, look left side, upward, downside, and right side, etc. Don't panic if some action fails to upload. You can try repeatedly. Click I'm ready when prepared. When all actions are accepted, Pi will offer you to review data you provided. Click Submit and Pay. You will be charged 1 Pi for KYC submission once your balance is transferred to mainnet. Congratulations. Let's check the status from mainnet checklist. Yes, besides Step 7, i.e., submit your KYC application, Step 8, i.e., wait for KYC results has also been completed, as Pi found our data completely matched with national ID card and no other suspected element found. Now, we are added to the automatic migration queue. We're sure this content has been valuable for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful and exciting content coming your way. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. For any general or business inquiries, feel free to reach out to us on WhatsApp at +92 3222 731 or email us at contactdigitdon@gmail.com.
You know, there is one and only key to success, that is patience and consistency. So be intact and don't listen to people who make you disheartened. We all together will be successful, no doubt.
DIGITDON, the name of trust and reliability.